A long time ago, people lived without realizing how their actions affected the earth. Fields were planted, machines were invented, and cities grew without much thought about the environment. But as the world changed and grew noisy with the buzz of technology and the hum of industry, wise scientists realized something important. Everything we do has an impact on our planet. This is where chemistry, the fascinating science of what's inside everything, comes to the rescue. Chemistry isn't just about mixing strange glowing liquids in a lab. It's about understanding how things around us work, from the smallest ant to the tallest tree, or even the air we breathe. Imagine you have a magical kit that can look inside everything in your kitchen, from your tasty breakfast cereal to your soapy dish detergent. Those hidden little bits, they're called atoms and molecules. They make up everything in our world. Now, how can chemistry help keep our Earth clean and safe? It all starts with sustainable chemistry, where scientists solve problems and make new things without harming the Earth. Let's pretend you are on a quest to save a mythical forest with magic potions. But holding the magic tools are not wizards, but chemists. They use ingredients from plants and renewable parts of the world. They remember, if they take too much magic from the forest today, there might be none left for tomorrow. Imagine empty bottles as chocolate Easter eggs. The shiny packaging hides the power to become something new again. Thanks to chemistry, plastic bottles could transform into cozy fleece jackets or sleeping bags. It's like a secret magical story only chemists know. When people recycle, they're actually helping chemists to mix and rematch molecules. It's like giving new life to things you don't need anymore. By using smart techniques, they reduce waste that could fill up magical greenlands, making them disappear. Water is precious and chemistry is its devoted friend. Imagine if you have a glass so clear and reflective that you can see forever. It's pure and clean, perfect for slurping with a crazy straw. But sometimes water meets strange guests like dirt and chemicals. Chemists, just like mighty river protectors, create magical bubbly mixtures, catching these nasty bits, making water safe to drink and nice for creatures who live in the sea. Think about the bright golden sun shining down on you all day. What if you could catch that sunlight in a jar in your window? Well, chemists thought of similar things, making solar energy. They develop special materials that catch sunlight and turn it into electricity, lighting up homes without using up precious fuels like coal or oil. It's like creating energy with a spell that never runs out. By using renewable resources, our Earth can breathe easy, while we still get to enjoy technology and mobile games. Chemists and sustainability are like a loving pair of twins, working together to solve puzzles and protect nature. Every action counts, and every small decision is a step closer to a greener, cleaner, and happier planet. So, remember, whenever you enjoy laying in the grass or collecting colorful leaves, chemistry is there as a guardian of our planet's wonderful treasures, helping to foster a forever beautiful world.